Hati ko lang, te. 2 Red Horse litro, isang kasalo Coke, kulang na isang bote. 4 na bilog, 2 praskito, 3 camera. 2,323.
2,300?
2,300.
After live stream, we are here. We buy Red Horse. Red Horse. For our store. After live stream. So you need to be multitasking. Doing business while on YouTube. Even a small business. That will help you to earn also. Even a little. So that's what I'm doing. Tapos yung isa dito. Yung bote. Yung isa pa to. Yung isa pa lang. Yeah, buyer. Thank you, thank you, thank you. To drive while doing video. Bye.